Welcome to Plasti-Fab's instructional video on adding PlastiSpan rigid insulation to an above-grade exterior wall. PlastiSpan rigid insulation can also be installed over existing exterior cladding. In this video, our experts will guide you through the steps we recommend you follow to complete your project successfully. No matter what your level of experience, you can use this video as a guide to getting the best results from your project. As an example, 2-inch PlastiSpan applied over an existing 2x4 stud wall with R12 bat insulation provides an R20 wall assembly. Be sure to check the National Building Code of Canada or the applicable building code in your region regarding minimum insulation requirements. There are 4 basic steps to insulating your exterior wall with PlastiSpan rigid insulation: measuring and fitting, attaching the PlastiSpan rigid insulation, covering the PlastiSpan rigid insulation with sheathing membrane, and attaching the new cladding. The first step is to measure and cut the PlastiSpan insulation. Measure and cut the PlastiSpan insulation with a utility knife or fine-tooth handsaw, such as a keyhole type or drywall saw, to fit openings such as windows. The insulation boards are installed with their long edge horizontal and the joints tightly butted together. Joints should be no wider than 1 millimeter. Vertical joints should be made over the wood studs. PlastiSpan insulation must be fastened to framing using fasteners with heads or washers at least a ½ inch in diameter, where the new cladding will be applied directly against the rigid insulation. Fasteners with heads or washers at least 1 inch in diameter must be used where an airspace will exist between the PlastiSpan rigid insulation and new cladding, such as brick. Install at least 1 layer of sheathing membrane over the PlastiSpan rigid insulation. Attach your desired new cladding, such as vinyl siding. Where nails or screws are used to attach cladding materials, they must penetrate through the PlastiSpan insulation into the framing members, furring members, or to blocking between the framing members. That's it. Your exterior wall is now correctly insulated. PlastiSpan insulation placed over the entire exterior of the building provides a continuous insulation layer. This eliminates thermal shorts at framing members, reduces air infiltration, and isolates the structure from outdoor temperature changes.